Yo, what's going on, guys? Purple Cup again with another video, man. You already know what to do, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have, man. Go ahead and give me a like at the end of the video, man. Anyways, we got us a different video today. We actually got us a little female, man. She needs some pants, man. She needs some help, man. She needs a lot of things, man. She don't need no drink, though. um, we are in Arkansas again. Arkansas, bruh. If it ain't no street racing vehicle, man, you gonna have some drunk. I mean, that's drunk driving everywhere in this motherfucking world. I'm gonna say world because I mean everywhere there's somebody drunk driving. Uh, I don't know where she was at, where she coming from, what her ideas was. First of all, I'm not gonna say all females, but majority females don't know how to fucking drive in the first place. So I don't know what the fuck you doing. I don't know what the fuck you thinking. If you was making some dollars, you should have called a fucking Uber to take your ass home. Because apparently you got in the wrong vehicle. Um, and the things she say, bro. Oh my gosh. I don't know if there's like if it's bribery. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if she gets in trouble, and I mean, we're gonna listen to the video. It's not a long chase because it's apparently this female. She don't know what the fuck she's doing. Uh, I don't condone any of y'all street racing, running from cops, doing any illegal activities. Alright, y'all be smart out there because, like I say, your life matters. Other people's life matters out there, and the troopers' life matters out. You know, so like literally, y'all put them troopers' lives in danger when y'all run from the cops and stuff. So man, if you can't step on that thing, you can't drive that thing, man. Just go ahead and pull over, man. You already know. Um, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, and it's a wild one, man. So, Trooper Neil locates a stolen vehicle at a residence while waiting on additional units. The driver flees. So he's outrunning them. You know what I'm saying? Or she's outrunning them. I say that. So I guess he ran the tags and he noticed that the vehicle was stolen. Oh, hell no. I know y'all seen that shit. There goes the lights. I mean, I would have turned the lights on once I would have hit that damn curb.
South on Warren.
What is that? Chevy Cruze? She got that Need for Speed in her.
We're stopped at Warren Valley.
The way she just turned back and looked, bro. No shoes, no pants. Golly.
I will fucking tase you. Come here. What the hell is wrong with you? Give me your hand. Working the rock temperature.
I don't know about all that, man.
Get up. Get up.
Let me go. Seriously, like, I don't
10-4, 10-15, no female. Get up. Let's go. 10-9. What the hell is wrong with you?
No.
Don't drink and drive. Do not. She didn't get that far.
The rock, start me at 10-11.
There she goes.
Seriously, what the fuck? Dude. You gonna wrap me up? Seriously? It's my birthday.
Well, happy birthday.
You gonna do this? You seriously slavery like shit? You gonna do this? You can let me go. You know you can't.
I'm getting in front of my car.
Like, please let me go hide in front of this place. I'm drunk.
I know you're
that?
drunk. I can smell it.
I know.
So
Like,
now you're DWI too.
please don't do that. I fuck you.
No.
I'm not.
Stop talking.
I don't have no STDs.
Stop talking.
I swear.
Stop talking.
Fucking. Then I fucking
Stop.
escape. I
Stop.
will fuck you. Then I escape. Please.
Stop.
My kids.
I don't care. Turn around.
I'm drunk. You wanna let me go to jail? Seriously, come on. Like, I will fuck you. Like, I have no STDs. Let me
And
go.
pull through the net. Go ahead and bring
Just say
something else out here too.
That was the best thing for him to do.
Stop
better-
I
talking.
will not do this no more. Please. I need to get back to my kids. I'm drunk. Dude, this is racist. Please, you know this. Please. You don't let me go to jail.
Get in.
I'm a good.
Get in. Get in the car. Get your feet in.
Okay.
She fucked up. She was jamming though. I mean, right then and there, bro. So, there's a lot of shit going on there, and that's what I'm about to tell y'all real quick, man. Like shit like that, man. First of all, I don't care how fucked up you are. Look, I'm gonna let y'all know. I know when you're drunk, you say shit that you don't really need to be saying. You say too much, but never admit that you're fucking drunk. You know what I'm saying? I mean, there's some things I'm not. I mean, I'm not telling y'all to do these things, but like there's things that you do need to keep your mouth shut. All right, when it comes to these stops, especially when you're drinking and driving. That's straight up. You know when cops are pulled over for drunk driving, they don't take the breathalyzer, the little breathalyzer test. They're told in academy not to blow in those things. That they rather go take their own test or go, wait for that warrant, because at the end of the day, when that happens, your alcohol kind of goes down. So when they do run your blood, believe it or not, it's slower, and you can probably get away with it. But what she did right here, bro, I mean, she said too much. I mean, about the effing part that she was about to do to him. He did the smart thing, put it in front of the car. I mean, because, there's a lot of cops that do get in trouble for that shit. And females like that will get cops in trouble. I mean, I'm glad he was using his brain. He wasn't interested. I'm glad he wasn't. I hope he wasn't. You know what I'm saying? But that's some wild ass shit. It was her birthday. He told her happy birthday. I mean, bro, you did too much, woman. You did too much. That's wild. Y'all just y'all be safe out there, man. Don't be drunk, drinking and driving, cause that shit right there. How she hit that side of that motherfucker. She hit that sidewalk and just started riding on that. That's sad, man. Because imagine you being on the main highway and you get on the wrong side of the road and you can kill somebody, honestly, and that ain't cool. I'm laughing and joking on some of these parts, but on some real shit, I mean, y'all gotta be safe out there. But I will catch y'all on the next video. I just this just popped up on me, and I was like, man, you know what? We're gonna do this video. But that tells you a lot of things, man. Y'all be smart. Y'all be safe. You can't step on that thing. Don't be driving that thing. You know what I'm saying? Call somebody to pick y'all up. Get an Uber. Something. You know what I'm saying? There's somebody or something around that get y'all home safely. You driving your sports car, pull over, man. Because it can cost you a lot more than what you expect. You can just get your ass a fucking ticket and go on your way. Anyways, man, catch y'all next video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give a like to your boy. You know what I'm saying? Much love.